Okay, everybody, after all the texts I got asking me to slow down on my last video, I'm going to redo just the warehouse so you can see all the pieces that I have available. Just a few things. Now, all these pieces are available. You can leave them here and I can custom paint them any style you want. Or if you have pieces at home, bring them in and I will get them done to match your decor or your style. So Brenda, yes, you have a furniture section in your store. This all you have? Oh no, my friend. Let's go for a little walk. I will show you what I have tucked away. So you go out the front door. Sorry if you have vertigo, this is probably gonna drive you crazy. At the side of this building, as we walk around the corner, there's a door to the annex. And in here is 2,500 square feet of gently loved, primitive, vintage, antique, you name it. So this is what you see when you walk in, but let's go upstairs. And then I can give you an aerial view. I hate these stairs. So the question is, do I have furniture? Let's see. Here we are. So the answer is yes, I have furniture. And all of it I can custom restore to any style you like. Or if you have a piece at home that might be outdated but you still love, bring it in. I will match your decor so it gives a facelift to any section in the house. See you soon.